Hey Resinators, so I hope you all are ready for an extremely controversial story that I found on Reddit while I show you my latest custom zodiac picks. So grab a snack or a drink and take a seat for this one because the title alone sounds pretty messed up. So this one is called, Am I the a-hole for leaving my babies in the house by themselves? I'm not gonna lie, it already sounds like it, but you guys have to help me be the judge. Alright, here we go. I, 20 female, am a mother of triplets who are only 2 months old. I never expected in my life that I would be a mother to triplets. So when I first became pregnant, it was definitely the last thing on my mind. I'm home with my babies all day long and had to even transfer my education to online. Sometimes I just need some fresh air, especially when I can't get them to stop crying. I find myself getting super frustrated to the point of tears. It's honestly so hard, and the dad isn't here to help as he's either at work or at school. Now my fiance, 24 male's parents, rented us a main floor apartment, so when I step outside, I'm literally just sitting on the chair right beside the door. Plus, I have a baby monitor set up in their room and it has a camera on it. So I can literally see them and hear them, so if anything happened, I could quickly go and get them. Being able to step outside for a few minutes to take a breather is really important to me because I start to have mini panic attacks when I can't get them to stop crying. And then I get really frustrated because I just feel super overwhelmed. Being able to go outside just gives me a chance to calm down. My fiance came home to me sitting outside while the babies were inside crying and freaked out on me, calling me a horrible mom, and then a bunch of other names that I can't even list here. He thinks that I was being super neglectful, putting the babies in harm's way, and even told his parents, and now everyone seems to be really upset at me. I grew up in the system and my fiance's family is the only family that I have. They're the closest thing I've ever had to a real family, and it breaks my heart that they're so upset with me. But I just really don't think that I was doing anything wrong or putting my babies in harm's way. But all of them seem to think otherwise. So now I'm wondering if I should apologize for my actions. Like, am I really the a-hole in this situation? Heck no, she's not the a-hole, and the entire family, including the fiance, definitely is. To have the audacity to blame a mother for having to step outside to take a breather, like literally right outside the door, come on. Now, of course, I can understand if she got outside, got in her car, drove around the block or something and left the babies completely unattended, but if they have a problem with her stepping outside to calm down, and then they're the problem. I'm a mother of 2 kids, and every doctor and nurse that I ever had always told me that if I feel overwhelmed, it's okay to step away for 5 minutes. That's honestly the safest thing you can do for a baby. So I'm not gonna lie, right now I'm a little bit worked up because that's just some bullcrap. My heart breaks for this poor girl because she doesn't have another family to turn to, and these people seem extremely judgmental. Okay, so I went scrolling through Reddit because I needed to see if there was an update, and there is. So here's what it says. I decided to show my fiance this thread, and at first he was really upset with me for sharing our personal problems with strangers on the internet. But I told him that I kept it anonymous. In the end, when he had a chance to calm down and hear me and all of you guys out, he actually apologized and promised me that he would be more involved with parenting, and even is willing to take parenting classes, which I'll hold him to that. I just want to thank everyone for the support that you all gave me. It literally brought me to tears, happy tears, seeing how supportive you all were to a stranger on the internet. I don't think I ever received this much support before. So the update actually makes me feel so much better. I'm so glad they made up. She deserves some support, man. 3 babies at 20 years old is not easy. I mean, let's be real, 3 babies isn't easy for anyone. So I'm glad that her fiance wised up and decided that he's gonna apologize and take parenting classes because obviously he needs them. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm still pretty pissed at the family, especially all of the members of the family that are mothers or parents. I mean, you would think that a parent would understand why somebody would need to step outside for a minute when they have kids. Goodness gracious, what judgmental a-holes. So for me, obviously OP is a 0 out of 10 on the a-hole scale, and the whole family is like at least a 7 or an 8. For the fiance, I guess I'll knock him down to like a 4 because he apologized, but that's the only thing that saved his ass from my rating. So you guys have to let me know who you think the a-holes are and what rating would you give them on a scale of 1 to 10. Also, you have to let me know what you think about my latest 3 custom zodiac picks. Drop some emojis in the comments to let me know which one is your favorite. Alright besties, thank you so much for watching till the end of the video, and I will see you next time. As usual, stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.